Hey there, I'm Ariana with Current Energy here at our Van Nuys office. Current Energy is a full-service solar energy developer specializing in financing, designing, permitting, installing, and monitoring solar energy systems exclusively for commercial property owners like you. So how does this process work? Glad you asked. The first step is performing a detailed site survey of your property, square footage, structures, rooftop areas, and electrical service to verify and confirm that it will support the proposed solar energy system. We then do a year-long billing analysis of your utility company energy usage, allowing us to determine which type of solar system is best for you now and into the future. We also determine what additional equipment will boost electrical efficiency, such as solar-topped carport structures, EV car chargers, and improved electrical equipment. Next, our design and engineering team creates a fully detailed system proposal that includes architectural renderings, 3D animations, and projected energy savings, helping you envision your new energy system. Permitting. Current Energy works closely with your utility company to expedite all the permits you will need throughout the solar build and interconnecting process. Financing. Historically, there has never been available the funding options for clean energy that are available today. So after we have determined what your financial needs and goals are, we then recommend and arrange a financing option that best fits your budget. There are many creative ways to acquire a solar energy system for your building. To learn about them, we recommend that you check out the section on our website called Methods for Acquiring Solar Power. Building. Current Energy's vast experience installing commercial solar energy systems allows the building process to proceed on schedule with minimal impact and disruption to you and the building's tenants and their customers. Monitoring. After the system is installed and fully operational, we continually monitor it for the lifetime of the system. All the solar systems we install are complete with a long-term warranty and insurance policies, demonstrating that we are committed to you and your business.
I've been in construction my whole life, and one of the things that stands out about Current Energy is, again, their accuracy on the plans. Their contracts are clear, right to the point, and in a case where you're dealing with the return on a project, the numbers, the tax credits, they've been very good about all that stuff, very transparent. It makes it easy to make a decision to go with those guys.
I would definitely recommend Current Energy to anybody. Dave is a great guy, very patient, very methodical, has a calm voice, which worked fine with me because sometimes I'm not very calm, I have to be honest. But he was there. He would always be available, always answer the phone, always be, did what he promised he would, always come back to me with answers to my questions. And in the end, we had a very, very good cooperation.
There's never been a better time to utilize solar energy. Tax incentives have never been higher, financing has never been easier, return on investment has never been faster, and energy costs are still rising. So give us a call today and we'll demonstrate how your rooftop will produce more revenue at a lower cost than you ever imagined. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we hope to talk to you soon.